Hello, this is Julio from Phillips Chevrolet of Bradley, and today I am here with the 2027 Chevy Blazer RS. And a lot of my customers ask me in this vehicle, how do I access your headlights? Which I'll show you how to do that in just a second. So let's get right into it. All right, so first and foremost, this is the the Bolt RS. So what you're gonna want to do that is gonna be this little light on top where you click on that and you can change it from your auto, your fog lights, your high beams, and then just to overall turn off the lights as well. You can press it right there. And then you can go from different functions, like I said, click that, and then turn your high beams, fog lights, and all that. But yeah, I hope you found that useful. If there's any other questions you have, you can always reach out to me at 815-933-2251. Thank you again, and have a good one.